Are you still trading in 2024 and you are not making profit? Now, man, take a good look of this account. Look at this. This is $132 in this account. Now you can see FxBillprobot, FxBillprobot. Guys, you can see the profit is too much. The profit is too much, guys. And guys, this is how we trade every day, and we are making consistent profit. And if you are still trading in 2024 and you are not making profit and you are still blowing your account, guys, let's say no to that, guys. It's time for you to start enjoying unlimited and consistency with FxBillprobot, which you can see in your eyes, man. So you can see the withdrawal in this account, $520, and you can see another profit of $745. Just take a good look of this. Let's trade together with FxBillprobot and make some crazy profit, guys. Is profit or nothing over right here.